In today's dynamic work environment, career development isn't just a perk, it's a fundamental expectation. As a project management expert, you understand the importance of planning, execution, and continuous improvement. When considering your next career move, particularly within a company like Scoro, evaluating the opportunities for professional growth is paramount. This video delves into the career development prospects at Scoro, viewed through the lens of a project management professional, ensuring clarity and simplicity for anyone seeking to learn or for educational purposes. Scoro, a comprehensive work management software platform designed for service businesses, operates in a space that inherently values organization, efficiency, and results of principles that resonate deeply with project management methodologies. Understanding how these values translate into career growth for its employees is crucial. A foundation built on growth and innovation. From the outset, Scoro positions itself as more than just a software provider. It fosters a culture that emphasizes innovation, teamwork, and a commitment to helping businesses work smarter. This ethos extends to its employees, creating an environment where growth is not just encouraged but actively supported. One of the most distinctive aspects of Scoro is its adoption of a 4-day work week for all employees globally, without any reduction in salary or compressed hours. This bold move signals a company that values work-life balance and employee well-being, recognizing that a rested and motivated workforce is a more productive and engaged one. This additional day off provides employees with more time for personal development, further learning, or simply recharging, all of which contribute to long-term career growth. Structured onboarding and continuous learning. For any new team member, a well-structured onboarding process is the first step in their career journey within a company. Scoro emphasizes a thorough onboarding program that includes weekly meetings with a mentor and regular check-ins with the team lead for new hires. This initial support ensures that individuals integrate smoothly into their roles and the company culture, setting a solid foundation for future growth. Beyond the initial onboarding, Scoro demonstrates a commitment to continuous learning. They offer employees an individual budget for books and courses, along with unlimited access to the Udemy learning platform. This investment in professional development allows individuals to expand their skill sets, stay updated with industry best practices, and pursue areas of interest that can enhance their career trajectory within the company. Internal mobility and diverse opportunities. While specific details on formal career paths within Scoro might not be extensively publicized externally, the nature of a growing software company implies opportunities for internal mobility. As Scoro continues to expand its product features and global reach, new roles and responsibilities are likely to emerge across various departments, including product development, sales, service delivery, and potentially even dedicated project management functions within these teams. For a project management expert, this presents several potential avenues for growth. Leading internal projects. Scoro, like any software company, undertakes numerous internal projects related to product development, infrastructure upgrades, process improvements, and more. A skilled project manager could find opportunities to lead these initiatives, applying their expertise to drive efficiency and success within the organization itself. Project management in service delivery. Given that Scoro's core offering is a work management solution for service businesses, there's a strong likelihood of needing project management skills within their service delivery teams. This could involve managing the implementation of Scoro for new clients, ensuring successful onboarding, and potentially leading teams of implementation specialists. Product management roles. With a deep understanding of project workflows and the needs of service-based businesses, gained through a project management background, there could be opportunities to transition into product management roles. This would involve shaping the future of the Scoro platform, ensuring it continues to meet the evolving needs of its users. Team leadership and management. As individuals grow within Scoro, opportunities to lead and manage teams are a natural progression. Project management experience inherently develops leadership skills, making these professionals well-suited to take on team lead or managerial roles within their respective departments. A culture of feedback and recognition. Career growth is often fueled by constructive feedback and recognition. Scoro fosters a culture where feedback is actively sought and valued. They conduct regular non-anonymous surveys to gauge employee happiness and biannual extended surveys on satisfaction and leadership. Managers also have regular one-on-one meetings with employees to discuss their work, career development goals, and any concerns. This open communication ensures that employees feel heard, supported, and that their growth is a topic of ongoing dialogue. Furthermore, Scoro utilizes platforms like Leapsome for public peer-to-peer praise, fostering a culture of recognition and appreciation. This positive reinforcement can contribute significantly to an employee's motivation and their desire to grow within the company. Embracing a growth mindset. Scoro explicitly states that they maintain a growth mindset, emphasizing continuous improvement and pushing boundaries. This organizational value directly aligns with the principles of project management, where lessons learned and iterative improvements are key to success. For a project management professional, working in an environment that champions this mindset is highly conducive to personal and professional growth. Examples of potential growth areas for a project manager at Scoro. To illustrate the potential career development opportunities, consider a few hypothetical scenarios. Scenario 1. Implementation Project Manager. An individual joins Scoro as an implementation project manager, responsible for guiding new clients through the process of adopting and utilizing the Scoro platform. Over time, they could progress to leading a team of implementation specialists, developing standardized implementation methodologies, or even contributing to the product roadmap based on client feedback and implementation challenges. Scenario 2. Internal Project Manager. A project manager is hired to oversee internal initiatives, such as the rollout of a new CRM system or the development of a new internal training program. Success in these roles could lead to managing larger, more strategic internal projects, or potentially transitioning into an operations management role where project management skills are highly valuable. Scenario 3. Project Manager to Product Manager. An experienced project manager with a strong understanding of the service industry and Scoro's user base could leverage their insights to move into a product manager role. Their ability to define requirements, manage stakeholders, and drive successful outcomes in projects would be highly transferable to shaping the development of the Scoro product. The importance of proactive career management. While Scoro appears to offer a supportive environment for career development, it's crucial for individuals to be proactive in managing their own growth. This includes